Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys the best method you can use to add lens flare in your design. But before diving in, if this is your first time coming across my video, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning viewer, I'm so grateful. The app we'll be using is called PicSat. As you can see right here, look at the app. So I'm going to open the app. So first I'm going to click on this plus sign right here. Then I will select the image for this video. I'm going to scroll till I find add photo. The lens flare image I downloaded from Pinterest. Just hold on, let me just look for your coin. So look at it right here. Then I'll click on add. The lens flare effects right here. I downloaded this from Pinterest. So the next step, I'm going to look for blend. I'll click on blend. So as you can see, the blend has, I think, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It has 7 different styles we'll be using. As you can see, this is the normal one, the screen, then multiple, then darken, then lighting, overlay, then add. So the one we'll be using is the screen right here. As you can see, I'm going to increase the size. We'll position it right here. As you can see, I'm going to click on this layer, then I'll click on it, then duplicate it. As you can see, I'll just watch carefully. As you can see, it's very simple and fast. So guys, please don't forget to like this video. Also share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video.